solutions. Y'all ready? Roll up for me to bring that 3 on to the top. There you go. Keep going right there. Boom. Your 3 financial solutions. We count down. Am I right?
Yes.
AKA income shifting. If you want to change your situation, you got to learn income shift. How many solutions? 3. AKA what? Income shifting. This is called income shifting. You got to take your money out the highest tax bracket, put it into the middle tax bracket, end up in the lowest tax bracket. When people say, Brian, what's the definition of income shifting? Income shifting is simple. You're shifting the money back away from the people who took it away from you. Shift it back to who? Yourself. So here's how this works. A is cash flow management. You got to start with cash flow management. B is business income. And C is investment income. Blank management is what? Cash flow. B is business what? Income. C is investment what?
Investment income.
Income. Now, you want to make most of your money with C, because C is where your money is taxed the least. 87% of a wealthy person's income is made with income. The reason it's made with income is because making money is not taxed like labor making money. So you got to make most of your money from C. The problem is most of us make our money from A, which is W-2. That's the highest one. Let's break it down. A is, W-2 says, we're taxed at 28 to 33%. That's high. Now people say, man, if I could make $1 million, yeah, you're taxed on $1 million. It's how you make the $1 million. See, again, this is capitalism. So how your money is made determines how it's what? How it's taxed. So there's nothing wrong with a job. In my organization, I tell my guys, man, we don't bash jobs. I don't believe in that stuff. I hate to see people do that. Job just so broke. Job jump out of bed. Job is hate that. You don't believe me? Go without it. Tell me how blessed you are then. Ask somebody that don't have one. Ask somebody that's struggling to get one. Don't bash jobs. A job is just supposed to fund your dreams. Does that make sense? This is an end to a means. We don't bash jobs. You need your job. But you got to understand, the job is not going to make you wealthy.
Right.
Because the job is on the opposite side of the balance sheet for you. Let me change your perspective. Everybody has a balance sheet. So do you. Income come in, expenses go what? Well, your job is the same way. Your income to you is coming in. But on their balance sheet, it went out. That's a conflict of interest.
Right.
So on their balance sheet, your salary is like, money just went out. Let me see how we can cut that.
Right.
On your balance sheet, money just came in. Let me see what I can buy. See the problem? So you got big dreams, big goals, big house, car, travel the world, kids. Your boss in there like, hold up, scale back, too much. Who can we get? Pay less, retirement, pension. They too expensive. Somebody else can do that. A robot can do that. Technology can do that. Internet can do that. Somebody in Mexico can do that. You like, got big job, got big dreams, got big goals. Child love me. They in the back. Conflict of what?
Interest.
See, I ain't bashing a job. You just gotta know what side of the balance sheet you on with that job. So, and then the more you make, that stuff, the more you make, the more they take. That percentages get up in the 40s. You start making $500,000, $250,000 a year. Get 40%. See? So it's how the job, it's how you're paid. So the business owner is taxed 18 to 23. See the middle? B, 1099, tax 18 to 23. Now already that's less. Am I right?
Right.
That's better than 28 to 33.
Right.
Because business owners, 1099s, business owners get the perks in this country. Let me prove it to you. Anytime America wants you to do something, they incentivize you by giving you a tax break. Let me give you an example. if I'm renting my house or an apartment and you own, we side by side. Both of my rent, $1,800, your mortgage, $1,800. We side by side. Who gets to write off the interest at the end of the year?
Owner.
Homeowner. So they're incentivizing you to buy what?
Home.
If I go put up solar panels and improve my carbon footprint for the ozone layer, am I right? They'll give me a tax. Right. They're incentivizing me, all of us, to help go green, put up solar roofs, do different windows, certain things you can do. You can write all that way.
Oh.
If I get married, they're incentivizing couples to hook up, and if we have children, we get another tax break because they're incentivizing you to be fruitful and multiply. Tax break house, tax break carbon footprint, tax break married, tax break children. Anytime they want you to do something, they give you a tax break. So, if the government is giving you a tax break for owning a business, they must want you to have one. Because in every other situation, the way to get you to do something is a tax break. Then why don't they teach Entrepreneurship 101 in schools? All easy. Because if you got smart and educated, you wouldn't be spending money 12 months a year.